tender words of love I wish to share. But if she does not reply with words of love, still I fear she'll cast me aside. To make this lonesome heart so glad, if she would share sweet words of love. Oh, Di Chambawihpuii, your beauty dwells within my heart. For this lone, simple heart of mine, your parents raised and cared for you. But if she does not